Hello, my lovely subscribers, and those of you who are new, welcome back to my channel. This is Candace, aka Curls Like Candy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I've been styling my Bohemian goddess locks. Now, these locks were done with 100% human hair, so I just want to throw that out there for those of you who may ask. But yeah, so this is how I've been styling them. Up first, I have this top knot with party in the front and a little razzle dazzle in the back. Yeah, I don't know what to call this, but yeah, so that's style number one. All right, up next is style number two. This style is just your simple pull the front back and secure it with a hair tie. Nothing too spectacular, just your simple everyday look for somebody who's in a rush, or you just don't want your locks to look plain, so you just do this little added touch to them. So that's style number two. Alrighty, up next is style number three. This is very similar to style number two, but it's just a different way to pull the front of your hair back and secure it with a hair tie. So I'm just going to take the top part of my hair and swoop it around one side, and then take the remaining locks on the other side and bring them to the back and secure them with a hair tie like I did in the previous style. Style number four, I'm going to call this style basket weaving. So what I'm going to do is just take one lock from one side and crisscross it over the other. And I'm going to do this until I get about midways to the top of my hair. And I'm just going to weave and weave and weave. And then I'm going to take two locks from like behind my lower ear part so that I can secure the locks that I've woven. You'll see what I mean in just a second. Crisscross, crisscross, and then you'll see me pull these two locks. All right, take them to the back, tie them in a knot, and secure the locks that you've crisscrossed in the top. That's it for style number four. All right, up next, style number five. This style is so cute to me, and it's very simple. So all I'm gonna do is start from one side of my hair and braid the locks across the front of my hair. And I'm going to pull them back and secure them with a hair tie. This style can really be done in like 2 minutes. Literally, all the styles in this video can really be done in like 2 to 3 minutes. All right, now I'm going to secure that braid into my low ponytail with the hair tie. And boom, that's style number five. All right, style number six. This style is super easy also. So what I'm gonna do is part my locks down the middle, or as much evenly down the middle as possible, and I'm just gonna twist one side all the way back and twist it until I can't twist anymore. I could have secured this twist with another ponytail holder, but I didn't want all that tension on my hair, so I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side, twist it all the way back, and then I'm gonna take the other side and I'm gonna secure it with a ponytail holder. Style number seven, lucky number seven. All right, we've seen everybody do this style. People are calling these space buns. I just call them balls, whatever. I'm gonna do two in the top of my hair and let the back hang. I don't know, is it just me, or does anyone else have issues with making sure that your balls are the same size? Wait, pause. Balls, buns, space buns. So yeah, I had to redo the right side because it was off, and I think it still ended up being off, but yeah, you guys get the idea of what I'm trying to do. Boom. Style number eight, I call this my go get 'em girl ponytail, my sexy side ponytail, whatever. But it's really simple. So you throw all your hair to one side, take like 2 or 3 locks from the middle and swoop it around and tie a knot. Here's another one of my favorite styles. So basically I'm gonna just secure the top part of my hair in the back, and then I'm going to begin to weave like I did before in style number 4. I'm gonna weave locks over that ponytail, and you'll see what I mean. So I'm just taking one lock from one side and flipping it over the other, and I'm gonna do so until I feel that I have enough woven locks. And then I'm gonna take 2 locks from the back and pull them forward and do the same thing like I did in style number 4 and tie them in a knot to secure the locks that I've woven already. Alright ladies, and what's a style tutorial without your high ponytail? So I'm just gonna pull all my locks to the front, and I'm gonna take maybe like 2 or 3 locks from the back and twist it around and secure it just like I did on the Go Get 'Em Girl ponytail. But yeah, so here's my high ponytail. Alright you guys, style number 11. Here's a spin on another style that I've done in this video. I'm going to take my locks from one side, pull them back, secure it with a ponytail holder, and then I'm going to stick my hand through that loop, that space, and loop the ponytail through so I can kind of get like a twist thing going on. So here's what it looks like in the back, and that's style number 11. Okay, and here's another staple, a bun tutorial. Guys, the key with making sure that you don't do your bun too tight is just taking your ponytail holder and fitting your locks or braids or whatever through it and not looping it. Just do it once and make sure you have all your locks through it, and then you're just gonna wrap your locks around and tuck and secure with bobby pins if you need. In this tutorial I don't usually use bobby pins. I just take my locks and tuck them, and my bun usually stays. Alright, something really simple is a turban. I got this turban, you guys, from Locs on Instagram. It's satin lined and it's really cute. She has all these different prints, super cute. Also, if you guys want to check her out, you can use my code Candice McCray and get some money off your purchase. Guys, this turban can jazz up any outfit as well as any head wrap. So yeah, these are definitely bomb paired with your locks. Last but not least, you guys, you can always just wear your locks down. I hope you guys enjoyed this styles tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.